Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about power brooming your synthetic grass area. One of the small maintenances with synthetic grass is power brooming the lawn to keep it looking as fresh as possible. With the amount of foot traffic that you might receive from kids, dogs, or just general events, you'll notice that there could be some matting of the grass. Running a power broom through that to get it standing back up straight and keeping the integrity of the blades is really going to help prolong the lifespan of your grass. So the first time that you're going to use your power broom is when the turf first arrives to the job site. It comes in a very tight roll, so it's going to be matted down. You want to run the power broom through it to get the blade standing up nice and straight. Then you cut it, fit it, and secure it into the yard area that you will be installing it. And then you apply your infill. Once the infill is in and applied throughout the area, you're gonna run the power broom through it one more time. That helps to settle the infill down to the base of the blades of grass, keeps them standing up straight for a long period of time, and helps to keep your lawn looking as fresh as the day it's installed. So in between power brooms, you can use a push broom or a leaf rake in order to fluff the blades of grass back up. But eventually you do want to use a power broom about once a year, maybe twice a year, depending on the traffic. Rotates at about 200 reps per minute, and it's really going to help your grass look very vibrant. US Turf's high quality materials are going to last for years and years. If you stay on top of the power brooming, you're going to make sure that you get decades out of your grass. All right guys, thanks again for stopping by. Please remember to like and subscribe to the video, and join us again next time for some more information about synthetic grass.